Hi there everyone, my name is Preetham. If ever needed, I will show you how you can change your CPU from one motherboard to another. So here is the CPU fan that I am currently using, and here you can see the thermal paste, and this is my CPU. So generally you will see the lock like this. So you just need to pull it out from here, and then you require to take this lock mechanism out, and then without touching the pins of CPU you just need to lift it off just like that. Now what we need to do is we need to see this triangle here. So you can see one triangle. Right now it is not visible because of my hands here. Now you just need to unlock this. Generally it is being locked by default like this. You just need to open this like this and then just open it. Now you need to carefully place your CPU on this slot. Just by matching corner by corner like this, and then lock it. So in this way you can install your CPU. And then here comes the cooler, and you can see the thermal paste here. So now I will be assembling my cooler on it. So before I assemble it, I need to clean it up. So I believe that's enough in this video. So that's all guys from my side in this one. I hope you enjoyed it. If yes, then don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel for such content, and I will see you soon in the next video. Till then, bye bye.